Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily.
Students, this is your weekly reminder to bring your ID.
But don't just bring your ID, you're required to wear your ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, this will result in a lunch detention, and if it continues, result in a 2-hour detention. So have these.
Attention. Attention, are you or anyone you know interested in joining Heritage High School's band or even joining a band camp to get a feel of things? Well, this is an announcement for you.
Whether you're interested in doing percussion, dance, winds, flags, or even being a pianist, we got you covered. For everyone who joins Heritage as a rookie camp as well as regular band camp.
If you or someone you know is interested, we have dates listed on the screen now. If you'd like to join, scan the QR code as well.
You remember what we said about a pianist as well? Heritage is looking for someone who plays piano. All levels of skill are welcome.
2 of our Panther students, Josephine Williams and Savannah Brown, has been recognized at the country and state level for their beautiful work. Josephine took first place and Savannah took third for their ceramic creations.
Take a look at these and the rest of the amazing art pieces that they created in the award they received from the BPS, School Board Visual Art Show and School Art Education Association, or FAEA Art Show.
Students, there's Saturday School again this Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Last week we hosted over 100 students. There are only 3 more Saturdays to go, and only 2 weeks until the PM3 fast reading test.
There will be snacks and pizza when you study, so if you need some extra help with starting courses, feel free to join this Saturday.
For any students wishing to buy a yearbook for this school year, you can buy one now.
The link for the 24 to 25 yearbook is on the screen now. The school ID for the yearbook is 1163131. If you would like to order your yearbook, visit the link on the screen and order yours today.
Attention, do you know someone that will be a freshman this next school year? If you do, please let them know about the class of 2029. Next to Heritage Night will be held this coming Tuesday, April 22nd, beginning at 6 p.m.
This is open to all families but aimed at a rising freshman. This is a great opportunity to learn about clubs, sports, and all the programs offered at Heritage.
Panthers, congratulations to our 2025 prom king Zachary Hicks and prom queen Leah McDonald's. Thank you for everyone that participated in the voting process.
Administration, teachers, and staff wanted to express that the prom 25 had the best dressed group of seniors and juniors. But not that only did they turn heads with their fabulous outfits, but they also exhibited outstanding behavior throughout the night.
Many also stated what a joy to witness such a well-dressed and well-behaved group of seniors and juniors. A huge thank you to those fabulous individuals for making prom 2025 an unforgettable evening to remember.
In senior news, Grad Bash is next Friday, April 25th. As a reminder, students attending Grad Bash should have their paperwork submitted to Miss Underwood.
On Friday, April 25th, those attending will be called to the auditorium at 2:05. For final instructions and reminders, students will be permitted to leave the campus and return to the auditorium no later than 4:45. We will begin boarding buses at 5 p.m. and depart campus.
For any senior who doesn't already know, Grad Bash does have a dress code. Some things that are okay to wear are casual tops, sunglasses, hats, comfortable shoes, jeans, and so on.
Some things that are not okay to wear are sleeveless tops, pants that fall below the waist, and matching attire. And other things, if you have any questions or concerns, please see Miss Underwood.
Senior award ceremony is Wednesday, May 7th at 6 p.m. recognizing scholarship, military enlistments, GPA, and subject awards.
Seniors, if you have received a scholarship upload a screenshot of your scholarship notification via the link in the senior Google Classroom. So we are aware of it. You will receive an invitation for you and your family to attend.
Also, the Decision Day Parade is on May 9th during 7th period. At this event, you will proudly represent your selected college, trade school, or military branch. Again, you must fill out the Google Forms in the senior Google Classroom with a screenshot of your acceptance letter if you plan on attending this event.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and parent must create their own FAFSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, For any of you that have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 24 to 25 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage, or you can even use the scholarship search engines as well. In sports news, last Friday, the Heritage High School boys track and field team showcased an impressive performance at Cape Coast Meet, ultimately securing a commendable 4th place overall.
Highlighting the day was Nate Owens, who not only clinched the first place medal in the triple jump, but also set a new personal best, leaping to new heights and showcasing his immense talents.
The song Barnes shone brightly as well. Finishing 3rd in the discus was a powerful throw that resonated with determination.
In the 400-meter hurdle, Julius Ortega executed a remarkable race, crossing the finish line in 3rd place.
Adding to the excitement was the boys 4x4 400 relay team, which finished in 3rd place and etched their names into school history books with a phenomenal time of 3:29.
That's all for the news this week, Panthers, and thank you for watching. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
It's like our cool thing every single time now.
Boom!
It was so cool my glasses fell.
We're just too awesome.
Too radical.
We need to overthrow that dictator in there.
Kids out of the kingdom! You are not the queen!
Adding to the excitement was the boys 4x400 relay team, which finished.
Let's be for real. 4x400, not 4x400.
Do you hear that?
What the heck?
Who is that?
Oh my god.
Who is that? Do you hear that? I don't know who that is. Anyways.
I think I hear the voice.
Okay, I can keep going.